Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Google account is signed in and browser apps are updated. Open Safari or Chrome, then go to Sites. Google.com and tap the plus icon to create a new site. You choose a template or a blank site so you control layout from the start. Once done, name the site and set the primary page title. This makes navigation and SEO predictable. Make sure to pick mobile-friendly fonts so your pages render cleanly on phones. Next, you build the structure. Open the Pages tab to add home, about, contact, or product pages. Drag to reorder for a logical flow. Then use Insert to add text boxes, images from photos or Drive, and embedded maps or forms. This is where content meets design. Keep sections tight and use the layout grid so columns collapse properly on small screens. Once content is added, preview in mobile view to confirm spacing, and touched. Finally, you publish. Tap Publish, choose a concise site address, and set sharing to anyone with link or restricted as needed. After publishing, immediately preview the live site on your iPhone and test navigation, forms, and media. If pages look off, clear the browser cache, adjust section widths, or change the theme. Those fixes resolve most issues. If permissions block access, make sure viewing rights are set correctly. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle mobile preview and republish after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.